Ready.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And action. I am super excited today. I have got the privilege to be with my super good friend here, Jay Muzak. We're here at the new headquarters of the Mosaic Workshop, and we're here today to tell you about an incredible opportunity to volunteer to help beautify his space so he can continue the incredible work he's doing in the community. So we're here, and I need to understand what's going on.
Yeah.
So what do we have here?
So this is our brand new 2,500 square foot warehouse, workshop, and studio. But you can see we got a lot of work to do. It's a little rough around the edges. So we're gonna clean up the parking lot with our neighbors from the Broad Studios, the wonderful ceramic artists. This is gonna be a whole artistic haven out here, the hub of mosaic and ceramic art. We got some gardening to do. We got a fence mural to paint. We're gonna make some mosaic signage. So come out, there's lots of fun for the whole family. Put your work and it'll be super fun because next time you come to workshop here, you can see some of the handiwork.
That's it.
Yeah.
So why don't we go take a look at what is in store? Click the link to sign up and volunteer, and we will see you February 17th and 18th, Saturday and Sunday from 10 a.m. to
4 p.m.
See you there.
See ya.